Our Hiligaynon or Ilonggo word for the day is halong. Halong. Ha-long. Halong. To halong means to handle with care, to treat tenderly, prize, appreciate, and cherish. Halong. Halong. Let us have the following sample sentences for the Ilonggo or Hiligaynon word halong. The first one is halong kamo sa dalan pauli. Halong kamo sa dalan pauli. Halong ka mo sa dalan pauli. Halong kamo sa dalan pauli. When we say halong, be careful. And kamo is you, like all of you, and then dalan is the way or the road, and then pauli is like going home. Halong kamo sa dalan pauli means to be careful on the road on your way home. Halong kamo sa dalan pauli. The next Hiligaynon or Ilonggo sentence is wala kagid nagahalong. Wala kagid nagahalong. Wala means not. And then ka is you, gid is like really, and then nagahalong is being careful. You are not really being careful. Wala ka gid nagahalong. Halong kamo sa dalan pauli. Wala ka gid nagahalong. And that's for our Hiligaynon or Ilonggo word for the day, halong, which would mean to handle with care, treat tenderly, prize, appreciate, and cherish. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Thank you very much, goodbye, and take care.